And can you say what happened?
I found her. She was all wet and she was freezing cold. So I took her in, I dried her, and then I just looked through her fur, and then I saw these little bugs.
Mm-hmm.
And then my mother really doesn't want a cat in the house, so I came to bring her to you.
So that means when you grow up and you date, you should only go out with a man that likes animals. Because if you don't, you'll never be able, your children will never be able to have a dog
I
or a
love
cat.
animals.
Well, then you have to marry someone who also loves animals, because if you don't, your children will never have a dog or a cat.
Right.
You have reached your destination.
Indy.
Indy! Hey, hi. Hi, cutie.
Hi. I'm Zoe.
This is Katya from Michigan,
Hi.
and Sean, I think,
Hi.
from Israel, right?
Yes.
And this is Indy. They're gonna be friends soon. They just don't know it yet.
This is the front area. And then outside here, is all this space and nature. And this is the whole area around their place. Well, I was on my way to pick up my brother and sister-in-law who were visiting from America. We're going to drive north today. And suddenly, halfway there, I thought there was a kitten crying in my car. And so I pulled over and I ran out. And it turns out there was a kitten right on the street. I should have taken a picture, but I didn't have time. And now it's trying to crawl on my lap. I was able to catch it. You can hear him crying. Anyway, I'm driving home now to put him in my house. Judy, hi. Okay, you want to come home with me? We're coming out of the car now. Hi. You're nice. How'd you get to be so nice? Okay. Okay, here's the kitten. I'm walking home now. He's very nice.
Yes, it's very nice. Good luck.
Okay, right about here, actually, right about here, I heard the kitten crying and I pulled over to the right here. And there was a nice police officer, I don't know where he is now. I pulled over right here, there he is. Zeha Shoter, this is the nice policeman that tried to help me. Yom Naim. And he's the husband of Shira, who prefers not to be photographed like many people. And we're just having fun with their new kitten, who doesn't have a name yet.
We're trying to think about that now. That's going to be difficult. We'll give it a good thought.
Very good. And they have an 8-year-old girl who's not home from school yet. And I'm happy that she's so comfortable that she's actually eating. We've only been here about 10 minutes. That's it.
Yeah, I don't want to disturb her while she's eating, but she already came to me, so that's a good sign.
Yes.
and we'll take it from there.
I'm very
We're
happy.
very excited.
Stronger.
Andy, give it to her. It's her toy. Andy, you have a crocodile.
Respect for these women on the show. They start the show, she feels like it's